Some days after shoulder surgery feel steady, and then suddenly you wake up sore, stiff, discouraged. That single bad day can make it feel like everything is slipping away. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many people interpret one rough day as proof that something has gone wrong, even when overall recovery is still moving forward. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and my work focuses on helping adults understand recovery patterns after shoulder surgery. Here's what's important to understand. Recovery is not a straight line. It's made up of small improvements mixed with temporary dips. Those dips can be caused by sleep activities or changes in inflammation or even stress. They don't automatically erase progress that you've already made. The problem is how the brain reacts. One bad day often gets treated as a verdict instead of a data point. When that happens, confidence drops, tension increases, and everything feels heavier than it actually is. Progress is better measured over weeks, not days. When you zoom out, most people can still see that their baseline is slowly improving, even if yesterday felt worse than today. This is where it helps to separate setbacks from true warning signs. There's a difference between normal recovery noise and something that actually needs attention. I explained that distinction clearly in my older video called Is It a Setback or Red Flag?, which is linked below. I also want to ground this into something practical. The post-op shoulder surgery checklist is free and it's in the link below. It exists to help you sanity check what you're feeling without jumping to conclusions. It's not about pushing yourself or fixing anything. It's about context. If you're having a rough day right now, it doesn't mean you've lost ground. It usually means you're still in the middle of healing. One day doesn't get to rewrite the whole story. So check it out. Both those resources in the link below.